Guys, check this relic out. She's pewter. Here again, surf and turf mode on the dais. Finding some lead balls already. I've been over this. I've been over everything I've been on. And this program just keeps bringing stuff up. The diving program, I'm telling you, it's almost unmatched for masking. I do like the Cow Fast and a real super heavy iron, but this thing's deep and it gets it. Got there with my old knots. This field's not seen a whole lot of activity. I've been right here in the snow where I found the bit and the shield nickel. I'm going right back over it and find targets this morning. This is my fourth round ball. So wind's picking up and it's cold. We're gonna keep going though. There it is, look at that, it's big and green. Not sure yet. It's big and green, but it's fancy. Anyway, might not be able to find out now because it is crusted up. Got to get that dissolved a little bit. See what's in there. Quite interesting, huh? Alright, there it comes. Oh, not a can. It's a spoon. There it is. It's on the ground. Piece of aluminum.
Hey! Hey! Still glorified junk dealer. There she is.
There is a 93. She's shiny. What could it be?
Yeah, she's shiny.
Looks like a dime.
That's a dime, buddy.
That was deep. Didn't have dimes that deep, did they? A Rosie?
Yes, it was 1946.
What you call it now? What do you call him? A marker dime. Found the silver on the beat spot. Pretty?
Yeah, 1946.
Oh, it is a Rosie. Wow.
Yeah.
Then we got 46. I don't even know when it went that.
1946. That might be worth 11 cents.
You got them. Alright, cool. On the hunt for the coin. It's in there. Or button. Now it's gotta be a coin 90 something or a piece of wire.
One of them little shots.
Right up 90s. 88 and 90s there. That was off a little bit.
There we are.
You hit her at some point. Must be underneath her. Is it moving? There it is. Coin.
There it is.
Or a button. There should be a coin with that number.
That is a coin. Something. We found us another Roosevelt dime.
Must be a newer one though.
I don't know. I can't see
Let's
it.
see what the caddy says.
Oh,
Metal detecting caddy.
there it is. Target. Yeah. I can't even see it now. Yeah. See the dime.
No silver that goes in his pocket. Mystery target. We had to fill this hole back in and dig it back out to find a target. Something round right there. Oh, that could be a piece of lead. I don't think it's that. Oyster shell.
Oyster shell.
We did some extensive digging on this one too. Did fill it back in. That's a much bigger hole than this. Might have to push her. She's zoned out on you again. Just a quick push will do it.
Somewhere in here. I'll tell you one thing. This holds something. Keep hitting. That it? No.
Oh, no.
No. No.
Oh, it's lead. Is it?
Mm-hmm.
It's gotta be aluminum. Big chunk of aluminum.
There's so much
Huh. Got robbed. My guy. 87. I did see a little ridge in there somewhere. Where was it? There it is. Could be nothing. There's gonna be a coin. corner of a button. Yeah. I think it's a penny. This time it's rough. But I can feel the edge real good, so maybe it is a button. That's with the die program instead of the fast. A button, I think. Computer. That's an old button. Pretty sure that's good. Got like something right there. I can't tell. Maybe it's an Indian head or something. She's roached. There you go. Got my caddy on it. This is getting ready to happen right here.
Yeah, it is.
I'm
gonna rub it for good luck. I don't know. That looks like a coin, man.
It could be a coin. She's thick enough.
You got something over here.
Man, it's so hard to. Check out the video. Guys, check this relic out. She's pewter. Punched hole button. He's digging another target. We're gonna go dig that out. But look at that thing. Well, she's old.
I'll put it in the dirt. So that's fine.
Let's go over here and check that out real quick.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, some horse tack. Look, I just showed somebody one of them there that I got from Roboth.
Yeah, there's one.
Look at that. That's an old button.
Yeah, it is.
They busted a hole through it. That's rough. Is that a Tudor rose on there? You know that would be sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Could be. That's worth.
That's pretty neat.
A short.
There you go.
Yeah, a
There's
beautiful
the back
piece
little
of
clip.
nice relic there. Check that out.
They turn it the right way.
Just all of a sudden across this field, we finally found some stuff.
3 hours later.
Cool beans.
What's happened though?
Look at that button though.
Pretty neat, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
All right. So this goes way back.
That's a goodie. Oh, let me get out of the sunlight.
Oh, that usually I set in the sunlight. Oh, here we go. There it is. I popped the hole out. It's the real deal. No, I think it is a Tudor rose in there. Go clean that up.